Hello and welcome back to my channel, Elemental Face Yoga with Alina. Here on my channel, I combine effective facial toning, deep tension release, and mindful movement so that your face and your skin can benefit by looking firmer, your features can become more sculpted, and your face feels lighter and freer over time. Today's practice is a 15 minutes full face reset designed especially for the needs of 50+ skin. We'll be sculpting the jawline, lifting the cheeks, softening lines, and releasing stored facial stress, all in one deeply nourishing, grounding session. This is the perfect routine to do in the evening, or of course any time of the day when you have time and when your face feels tired, heavy, or tight and in need of self-care. Let's begin together. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose, exhaling out. We're starting with connection and grounding, which is so important for our nervous system to relax. And again, inhale. As you exhale, sending a wave of relaxation through your facial muscles from your forehead down to the neck. Opening the eyes, but starting to tap on the forehead with your finger pads. Awakening the skin, awakening the muscles underneath. Breathing deeply. Tapping on the temples. Starting to feel a little warmth spreading over the face, tapping across your cheekbones, through the cheeks. It's important for us to warm up the muscles before we start strengthening them. Deep breaths, tapping along the jawline and the chin. And then finally tapping through the neck, all the way down to the collarbones, and here finishing with the lymphatic tap. Good, release. Starting with the jaw joint release. So taking out 2 or 3 finger pads on the jaw joint, and I want you to just brush down. So brushing down through the masseter muscle. Make sure you're not brushing in the center of the cheeks. It's going to be pulling the muscles down. But making sure you're staying on your masseter muscle, which is a little bit to the back of the face. Deep breaths in and out, unclenching the back teeth. And then positioning the finger pads on the masseter muscle itself and applying gentle circles. Inhale, exhale, mouth and lips relaxed. Deep breaths in and out through the nose, shoulders relaxed, nice open posture. Good, and then slowly release down, brush down through the neck and tap. We start with our thumbs positioned under the chin. Finger pads extended, tilting the head gently back. Now closing your mouth, applying the pressure of the tongue up to the roof of your mouth. And feeling the tip of the tongue pushing to the space just behind your upper teeth. We press and release, feeling the feedback all across here under the chin and along the jawline. Make sure you're not squeezing the back teeth together. Relax. Relax your eyebrows. Releasing, returning the head to neutral position. And taking our right hand just right under the jaw here. And now opening and closing the mouth whilst we're applying a gentle pressure up with the hand. Both shoulders relaxed. Releasing, give your arm a shake and roll the shoulders back. A reset. Next, we're going to wrap the lips in over our teeth. Just like so, closing the gap between our lips and feeling more pull over the lower lip inwards. Relaxing the space here in the cheeks. There shouldn't be any dimpling there in the cheeks. And then here simply scooping the mouth up like a nutcracker. So we're thinking of scooping the bottom lip up and down, up and down. gently jutting the chin forward. Now start to take the head into a tilt as you're carrying on that nutcracker type movement. And come back. And again, tilt back. And down, and one more time. Good, and then slowly release. Take a deep breath in. We're coming back to the same wrapped in lips position. This time creating a bigger gap between our wrapped in lips. Positioning our index fingers at the mouth corners. Now connecting to our cheek muscles and lifting the cheek muscles up towards the top of our ears. We lift and then we come back to that wrapped in position. We lift and then come back again. So let's do this 10 times. Make sure there is no squeezing with the eye muscles. This is all in the cheeks. We're not feeling this in the lower cheeks or in the upper cheeks, just in the midsection of the cheeks. We're trying to isolate those muscles. Slowly release. Let's take a deep breath in and out. For our next exercise, we'll position our full hands over our cheeks and apply a gentle pressure in. So we're not pulling down, just applying the pressure into the cheeks. Now smile with your cheeks whilst feeling the pressure of the hands down. So your hands are going to be resisting into your muscles lifting, and muscles are going to be resisting into the hands pressing. So we're going to lift up for 5 counts. Hold, eyes relaxed, and then release. So under the hands, this is what I'm doing. Coming up into a lift, so feeling my lower cheeks, mid cheeks, and upper cheeks lifted, and I'm applying pressure down with my hands, holding, releasing down. Again, applying pressure, try and lift the cheeks up into a controlled smile. Hold the pressure and resistance. And release. Twice more. Put pressure in with the hands. Try and come up into a controlled smile. Hold, 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 hold. Breathe. Release. One more time. Keep pressing. Keep smiling. Eyes relaxed. Forehead relaxed. And slowly release. Relax. Shake out through the cheeks. Our cheeks will feel nicely pink as well whilst doing that, and feel really warm. Take a deep breath in and out. Good, and relax your hands down. Next, we'll bring ourselves into a high smile, revealing our upper teeth. So engaging our upper cheeks, just like so. So we feel that the apples of the cheeks have moved up. What we'll do now is position our hands on the top and apply pressure just to the apples of the cheeks. Hold that position, and now try and push the cheeks up into your hands, as if you're pulsing them upwards. Do this 10 times. Pulse, apply pressure, pulse, apply pressure. Try and keep the mouth corners in the same position, so you lift it and you're staying in that lift. Again, pulse, and pulse, and pulse. Now the eyes are not squeezing under. Yeah, make sure that you're keeping the eyes relaxed. We have 3 more. Pulse and apply pressure. Last one. Good, slowly release. Connect to your cheeks. How are your cheeks feeling? There should be some good amount of activation now in our upper cheek sections. Inhale, exhale. We'll shift our attention now to the eyes and position our hand over your eyebrow and relax forehead. Make sure that you haven't engaged the forehead underneath. Press the hand in, lift the eyebrow up. Now with your other hand, just go and carefully position your index and middle finger on the outer edge of your eye bone. Take a breath in. Now as you exhale, squeeze the eye really tight into the center, feeling the pull in the upper part of the eye and lower part of the eye. Breathe, keeping the other side open if you can. Hold that eyebrow in place with your pinky. Now slowly release, feeling the eye muscles relaxing. Take your hand off, take a breath in and out, connect to the eye on this side. Notice the positioning of your eyebrow. This lifts and opens the upper eye space. We're also working under the eye. Let's go and do this on the other side. So same positioning. Pull your elbow back so that you can position the hand as flat to the forehead as you can. Cover your eyebrow and then lift up. Again, try not to lift your forehead by the forehead lifting. Keep that really smooth and just lift the eyebrow, helping with your hand. Position the other hand just on the outside of the eye there with the fingers covering the lines, and again draw the eye into the center. Feel the shaking in the eye, so this is a good sign. So this eye, when it's working the muscles, will be doing a little trembling. Not excessive, but we feel something happening. That means that we're working the muscle with awareness and intention. A deep breath in and out, then slowly start to release the eye back to neutral, returning. Releasing the hand down, again observing the eyebrows. You should have a high position on your forehead, both sides be even. Take a breath in and out. Now with the heels of your palms, positioning them above the temples and then stretching the eyes back. So here feeling the muscles and the tension in the eyes melting. Deep breath in and out and release. And we're applying a gentle pressure in with the hands in the temples. Again, press back, take a breath in and out. One more time, pressing into the temples, lifting the fascia and the muscles, scooping them back, relaxing the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, slowly release, and then from here brush from the temples through the side of the face to the neck and tap. Release. Now let's release tension in our forehead. With our finger pads positioned softly above the brows, we will press into the forehead and walk up through the forehead, applying gentle presses all the way up and noticing how your pinkies are working through the very center of the forehead, traveling up from the section between the eyebrows to the very top, applying pressure now into the top of the head here, through the scalp, all the way through to the back of the head. So we kind of carry on walking here to the very back of the head and walking all the way down to the base of the neck, pausing there, coming back to the eyebrows, and again from above the eyebrows walking. So we have finger pads covering the whole of our forehead area, applying gentle acupressure points all the way through. Deep breaths in and out. Try not to tense with this movement. In a position, try and relax as your hands are doing the work and arms are doing the work, and you're releasing tension and just feeling it melt away. Walking all the way through the back of the head, just right into the base of your skull. Apply gentle pressure there. Good. Release and now sweep across the forehead. Inhaling, exhaling. Feeling much smoother, less tense now in this muscle. And then just sweep all the way down to your neck and tap. Now with your index finger, applying a gentle acupressure point here at the third eye area. Applying pressure as we close the eye. So this is a medium to firm pressure here. Eyes closing and immediately starting to feel tension draining away even before we start circling on this spot. Once you're ready, start circular motion here, observing the effect on your forehead, on your eyebrows, on your eyes physically, observing the effect on your breath as your breath tends to slow down and even out, and stimulating this point. Allow the eyes to soften, forehead to soften. Circling in the opposite direction with deep breaths in and out through the nose. Just gently finishing up, removing the hand down and opening the eyes. Just feeling this relaxation seeping down flowing down through the face fully. And we finish our session with lymphatic drainage massage. So position our hands at the top of our forehead, and we'll create outward pumps all the way out to the edge of our face, into the hairline. Reposition from the center of the forehead, outward pumps all the way out into the hairline, and now over the eyebrows, all the way out, from the temples all the way out, across the cheekbones, all the way out towards the hairline, across the top part of the cheeks, upper cheeks, midsection of the cheeks. Deep breaths to the ears, from the mouth corners to the earlobes, from the mouth all the way out. And then here from the chin, outward pumps all the way out through the jawline. And then here at our ears, we just going to pump down. Deep breaths in and out, pumping down. Shoulders relaxed, nice open posture. And pumping down through the neck. Again, staying on the sides of the neck, pumping down to the collarbones. And then here tapping the top, underneath the collarbones, and on top, underneath, stimulating our lymphatic system. Deep breaths in, out. And then once you're ready, relax your hands down. Close your eyes for a moment. Connect to your face. Take a deep breath in and out. Noticing any subtle changes that you created during the short period of time. Noticing how your face feels. And sending your face gratitude, love, and connection. Now gently opening the eyes and releasing. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and hopefully your face feels lighter and a little bit more lifted, not just on the surface but also deep within the muscles and fascia. If you enjoyed this full face reset, I would love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you. And I personally read every message and every feedback, and that truly means a lot to me. And if you're ready to go deeper, my 21-day Face Yoga Transformation Program is now available live, where I guide you step by step through a complete rejuvenation journey for your face, your posture, and your confidence. You can start anytime. This is a self-paced program. The link is in the description below. I also offer personal one-to-one face yoga consultations where we work together on your unique facial structure, your tension patterns, and your goals. Those sessions can be very enlightening, and they can of course now be booked directly as well. So the link for that appears in the description below too. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.